Same thing that happened last year. Man. Let's dig that out. What's going on, BSG? So, at the 9th hour, I need to break out my generator, the one I haven't never used that I've had for maybe 4 or 5 years, preparing for this Texas freeze and the possibility of the power going out like it did last year. But this time we need to be prepared and ready. So we need to get that generator out, see if we can get it started. All right, BSG, so we done got this generator out and it's right here. So let me get you guys to get a little closer here. Yeah, hold on, y'all. Let me get y'all a little closer. See if I can get a good look at this thing. There we go. All right, so let me bring you up a little closer. So as you can see, we are very dirty. I have never used this generator, guys. So this is gonna be a quick learn for everybody, especially me, seeing how I ain't did nothing with it. And I bought it just for this occasion, in case something happened like it did last year, but I never did what I need to do with it. And that was a wrong answer, so we're not gonna get caught like that again this year. So as we can see, it's very dusty and we probably need to blow it off a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do right quick. We're gonna blow it off and then we're gonna get down to business with it. All right, so my wife has been on me about this generator, getting it going and everything like that. So we're going to get it going. But let's go over a couple of things here. So this is the Predator 4000, and I got it from Harbor Freight. I want to say 5 to 6 years ago. Never used it. And when it came down to needing it, I didn't have this thing prepared. So we're gonna get it prepared this time. So this thing is 4,000 watts startup and 3,200 running watts. Okay, so as you see right here. So this is the on-off switch. Jesus Christ, what we got going? Like, okay, so now we got low oil alert, got a DC breaker, which can charge up cell phones and stuff like that. We got some outlets here, and then we got the 240 outlet right there. Fuel go up here in the top. Oh no, you can't see. Let me bring you up here. This is not a bad generator. As you can see right here, that is a low, not a low, but that lets you know how much fuel you got in it. No, so you'll be good to go. On this side over here, down here, let me see if you can see that. Let's get y'all up close and personal. Okay, right here is your fuel shut off, your air cleaner. The choke is over here, if I ain't mistaken. And I think this here is, oh yeah, there's a spark plug in here. And that thing gets hot. I don't know what that is right there. And on the back side is your muffler. So, this is gas only, so no E85 or none of that stuff. First thing we need to do is put oil in it, and it's regular motor oil. So I'm gonna go with motor oil that I have, which I believe so I think it's 530. Let me see what it is. Yep. Some 530. We're gonna go with that. And now we need to find where the oil go. Okay, so our oil goes right in here. So let's pull that out. See if we got anything on it. We should have at least tried to start this thing, but we never did. And we have, if you can see that, a little bit of oil on there, and that's probably more likely from starting it. Now, just need to put enough oil on here till it comes up on here. Probably about halfway, I would say. Now, if you look at this thing here, your quick start guide. So it tell you right there. So we need to ground this unit to prevent electrical shock. Ground generator to prevent electrical shock. Okay. So I gotta find something to ground it to. Yeah. Gotta find something to ground it to. But that ain't gonna stop me from starting it though. Alright, so that shows the choke right there. So let me see where that choke is. I think it's on the side. I know you can see it in the back, but I think it's actually supposed to be something you can turn. I don't know if I told you, but this black thing over here, this black thing right here is the air filter. What we got? We let it run. I don't know who it is. All right. So, yep. That's your air cleaner. And here's our choke right here. This is our choke. So let me look in here right quick. Yep, that's the choke. All right. If we can't get this started, we're gonna have to get some carb cleaner and spray a little bit in there to see if we can get it started. Hopefully we don't have no issues. Okay. As you can see right here, it says this way to start. For the start, and once it starts, we click it over there to run. All right. Fuel is, so it shows right there, fuel this way. When it's horizontal like this, it's off. I'm sorry, parallel. Then when it's horizontal, it's on. All right, so, and here's our yanker. So let's do oil first, and then we will put in some fuel. So here's my little filter. Throw it right in there. This don't look like it's gonna be a clean do. Man, if I had a rag or something, throw it on the ground there. But We don't, so. Oh, no, 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 no. All right. I don't know what's in there, so let's put that down there like that. Let's check our oil. We don't want to overfill this because I don't know if we can be able to get it out. Now, it's been sitting this long, man. I hope this thing start up. I'm not even tracking if it's got a battery or not. I think I need to see if I can find that. And I don't see nothing that says anything about a battery. It says never use inside of a home, which you already know. Got to keep it outside. Keep it so far from the house, which I need to double check that and find out how far away it needs to be. Do not exceed more than 26 amps. Okay, we ain't even touched it. Alrighty. Thing got a little bit of weight to it as well. I just got it propped up here. We don't want this to fall off. Or at least I don't. Oh, we got fuel. I'm sorry, we got oil. We got oil, so we good. Now this thing here, from what I'm reading, it says start every 3 months. Well, let's just say I kind of missed that by years. So let's just keep it moving and see what we can get. All right, so gonna get us some gas. I don't know if you guys can see down in there, but it's got a filter down in there, so in case your gas is dirty, you know, you can screen it. Let's get this off, and let's get some gas for it. Okay. This might turn out to be a little messy. Now, I don't know how many continuous hours this thing will run, but hopefully we can figure that one out by doing a little reading, do a little research. Boy, this is gonna take my whole 5 gallons, huh? Alrighty. Alright, there we go. So, let's do a little look here. Add fuel to within 1 inch of the rim of the tank. We did more than that. Closed choke is closed. Open fuel valve, turn on, give a little snatch. On the starter handle, turn the choke slowly to run. Check total wattage, check total watts, then plug in products. So, let's see what we do here. Okay, so we're full of fuel. Let me move y'all back a little bit. Alright, so let's read it again. Okay, closed choke. Alright, bam, she's closed. Open fuel valve. She's open. Turn on. There we go. Give a pull. Uh-oh. We are prepared for if we have an outage. I run my refrigerator or run my stove, and I run my heater that I have that's in the house. That's our fireplace. We got a heated fireplace, so we'll run that just to keep warm. But last year was a monster. So I'm gonna let this run 15-20 minutes, then I'm gonna cut it off. But this gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.